In an unprecedented move that has sent shockwaves through the Chinese entertainment industry, popular actor and singer Liu Yuning has reportedly filed legal proceedings against Cool Entertainment, alleging systematic mistreatment of beloved actress Zhao Lusi. Sources close to the situation revealed disturbing details about the agency's conduct that could forever change how talent agencies operate in China. The entertainment world was left reeling yesterday when insider reports surfaced claiming that Liu Yuning, known for his roles in Love is Sweet and The Romance of Tiger and Rose, has taken the extraordinary step of involving legal authorities to help his rumored romantic partner Zhao Lusi escape what sources describe as an increasingly toxic contractual arrangement with Cool Entertainment. But what could have driven the typically private actor to such drastic measures, and what dark secrets about the agency are about to be exposed? Industry veterans are calling this the most explosive celebrity legal battle in recent memory, with implications that could reshape the entire talent management landscape in China. The allegations being whispered in entertainment circles are so serious that several major brands have reportedly begun reviewing their partnerships with Cool Entertainment, while other agencies are said to be distancing themselves from the company entirely. What exactly has Cool Entertainment been accused of, and how deep does this scandal really go? The controversy began to unfold when multiple anonymous sources within the entertainment industry started sharing disturbing accounts of Zhao Lusi's treatment at Cool Entertainment. According to these reports, the 25-year-old actress, who has captured millions of hearts through her performances in Dating in the Kitchen and Romance of Tiger and Rose, has allegedly been subjected to a pattern of exploitative practices that go far beyond typical industry standards. Sources claim that Cool Entertainment's management, led by executives whose names are now being whispered with disdain throughout Beijing's entertainment districts, has allegedly imposed unreasonable working conditions on Zhao Lusi that have affected both her physical and mental well-being. The actress, who has maintained a cheerful public image despite these alleged behind-the-scenes struggles, is said to have been working up to 18 hours a day on multiple projects simultaneously, with little regard for her health or personal life. One particularly shocking allegation involves claims that Cool Entertainment executives have been deliberately scheduling conflicting commitments for Zhao Lusi, creating situations where she would face financial penalties regardless of which obligation she chose to honor. This alleged practice, if proven true, could constitute a form of contractual abuse that legal experts say might violate several labor protection laws in China. The financial implications of these allegations are staggering. Industry insiders suggest that Zhao Lusi's contract with Cool Entertainment includes penalty clauses so severe that breaking free from the agency could cost her tens of millions of yuan in compensation. However, sources close to Liu Yuning indicate that the actor is prepared to use his own resources and legal connections to challenge these allegedly predatory contract terms in court. What makes this situation even more dramatic is the timing of Liu Yuning's legal intervention. The 32-year-old actor, who has built a reputation as one of China's most principled entertainers, allegedly discovered the extent of Zhao Lusi's situation during their collaboration on recent projects. Sources suggest that witnessing firsthand the toll that Cool Entertainment's alleged practices were taking on Zhao Lusi prompted Liu Yuning to abandon his typically non-confrontational approach to industry politics. The legal documents reportedly filed by Liu Yuning's attorneys paint a disturbing picture of systematic exploitation within Cool Entertainment. According to sources familiar with the case, the allegations include claims of financial manipulation, where the agency allegedly structured deals in ways that maximize their profits while minimizing Zhao Lusi's earnings from her increasingly successful career. Even more troubling are reports that Cool Entertainment executives allegedly attempted to control aspects of Zhao Lusi's personal life, including restrictions on her social interactions and romantic relationships. If these allegations prove accurate, they could represent a level of personal control that extends far beyond typical talent management agreements and into territory that legal experts describe as potentially constituting harassment. The entertainment industry's reaction to these developments has been swift and dramatic. Several major production companies have reportedly begun reviewing their current projects involving Cool Entertainment talent, with some allegedly considering contract modifications or cancellations depending on how this legal battle unfolds. The ripple effects are already being felt across multiple sectors of the Chinese entertainment ecosystem. Advertising executives from major brands that have worked with both Zhao Lusi and Cool Entertainment are said to be in emergency meetings, discussing how to navigate this unprecedented situation. Sources within the advertising industry suggest that several companies are prepared to support Zhao Lusi regardless of her agency affiliation, viewing her as a valuable brand ambassador whose reputation remains untarnished by her agency's alleged misconduct. The social media response has been equally explosive, with hashtags related to this controversy trending across multiple platforms, despite apparent attempts at content moderation. Fans of both Liu Yuning and Zhao Lusi have mobilized in unprecedented numbers, sharing messages of support and demanding transparency from Cool Entertainment regarding these serious allegations. What makes this legal battle particularly significant is Liu Yuning's reputation within the industry as someone who rarely involves himself in controversies or public disputes. Entertainment journalists who have covered his career describe him as someone who has consistently avoided drama and focused primarily on his craft. His decision to take such a public and potentially costly legal stand suggests that the situation at Cool Entertainment may be even more serious than initial reports indicated. Legal experts specializing in entertainment law are calling this case potentially precedent-setting for the Chinese entertainment industry. The specific allegations being made against Cool Entertainment, if proven in court, could lead to significant changes in how talent agencies structure their contracts and treat their artists. Several lawyers have already indicated their intention to closely monitor this case as it could influence their approach to representing other entertainers in similar situations. The financial stakes involved in this legal battle are enormous. Cool Entertainment, which has built its business model around managing some of China's most popular young actors, reportedly stands to lose not just Zhao Lusi but potentially other talent who might be inspired to challenge their own contractual arrangements. Industry analysts suggest that the agency's entire business model could be under threat if Liu Yuning's legal team successfully demonstrates systematic misconduct. Behind the scenes, sources indicate that other Cool Entertainment artists are watching this case closely, with several allegedly consulting their own legal representatives about their contractual situations. This suggests that Liu Yuning's legal action could potentially trigger a wave of similar challenges that might fundamentally alter the power dynamic between agencies and talent in the Chinese entertainment industry. The personal relationship between Liu Yuning and Zhao Lusi has been a subject of speculation among fans and entertainment media for months, but sources suggest that their bond goes beyond mere professional collaboration or romantic interest. Those close to both actors describe a relationship built on mutual respect and genuine care for each other's well-being, which allegedly motivated Liu Yuning's decision to risk his own career prospects by challenging such a powerful agency. Cool Entertainment's response to these allegations has been notably muted, with the agency's public relations team reportedly struggling to formulate an appropriate response to the mounting accusations. Sources within the company suggest that executives are divided on how to handle this unprecedented situation, with some advocating for a more aggressive legal defense while others push for negotiated settlement discussions. The broader implications of this case extend far beyond the immediate parties involved. Entertainment industry observers are already predicting that this controversy could lead to increased scrutiny of agency practices throughout China, potentially resulting in new regulations designed to protect talent from exploitative contracts and abusive management practices. International entertainment companies that have partnerships or business relationships with Chinese agencies are reportedly monitoring this situation closely, as the outcomes could influence their own approaches to working within the Chinese market. Several Hollywood studios with ongoing projects involving Chinese talent are said to be reviewing their due diligence processes for selecting local agency partners. The timing of this legal battle coincides with broader discussions within the Chinese entertainment industry about work-life balance, mental health support for performers, and the responsibilities that agencies have toward their talent.